To remove the tail light, these are Phillips head screws. There's two of them, one here and one up here. Loosen that one up. And when I loosen this one, I want to hold the tail light. I don't want it to fall out. They're fragile. And they're expensive. So, and then it kind of hinges out. And there's a tab down here, and there's one up here that go into these slots. And then I can remove whichever bulb needs to be replaced. To remove these light bulbs, sockets and bulbs, there's a clip here that has to be pushed up that catches on this piece. It needs to be pushed up, and then you can turn the socket. And removing the bulb, I don't want to touch it with my hands because the oils from my skin get on the bulb and they can shorten the life of the bulb. Just really gently pull that out and then put it back in. Same thing. Put that in there, and then each of these sockets has different slots and then pins. And if I took out, which I did, I took out more than one of them. Let's see. Each one is different. Oh, got all those back in, and now I'll put this assembly into the fender. Putting the taillight back in, there's plastic pins here and here. And then there's slots in the fender, and those need to go into them first. Push those all the way in, and then it pops right in. And then there's a screw here, and there's one up higher. And find that hole. Thread that in finger tight, and then this is a Phillips screwdriver. That's what the screw is. Just snug that up. I don't want to go crazy on it. Could end up stripping out the threads or breaking the tail light. And then put in the top one. And that's it. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.